Good morning, everyone. This is Anne-Marie Band. Today is Thursday, January the 12th, and this is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. We did just get the CPI number. Price action is moving to the north. That CPI number was a bit benign. So both buyers and sellers are sitting in a space where they have to either continue in their general formation or they're going to back off just a wee bit. Here is my thought. People position for risk prior to these motions. When the risk doesn't come, they have to buy to cover, and that's forcing the market to the north. But on top of that, everyone, look at the trend. We have upward trend just about every place we're looking, except on the weekly formation where we can see still it's a little bit sideways, right? And so when we look at our little bit sideways space, we have to think, all right, well, where might we be going? This tells us that we are in last month's range, and this wick is the current one we're working in, but the wick that looks like this means that buyers exhaust and sellers win the pressure, and so now buyers are here trying to press themselves into the north. So what am I thinking about? I'm thinking that 43 to 48 might be the number that we want to look at. And then, of course, we have the very top of the range at 40.76, 40.75. All right. So those of us that are bearish, thinking about the world collapsing, this doesn't fall within our narrative at all. But here's what I want you to remember. When in doubt, just follow the price. Don't think about anything except, hold on, is my 1 hour chart telling me I should be long? What do you think? Breakout pattern here? Well, yes, right? And where are you going to go to? That's where you look at your bigger numbers and you go, hey, where did this end up? Well, we're all the way above there, so I might take some profit there at 4,005, but this is my next leg, 4,020, right? From a daily perspective, that's what we're looking at. From a weekly perspective, we're still up here at 40.49. All right, so that's it from the broad perspective. If we take a look at SPY, and what I need to do is take a peek to see where the live action is right here. And so I've got that on another screen. Let's take a look at the overall price of SPY as the morning comes in. Look at all the unusual options data floating around there. SPY is giving us, hello, let's wait for it. SPY is giving us 397.99, 398. Hey, take a look at our lines in the sand. Right here is where we're going into. We're going to move right into that zone, and then very likely we're going to see some profit taking. All right, so that's really what we want to watch for this morning. Easy does it. Listen, a lot of us think about what we expect the market to do. Instead, we should just follow what the market is doing. So how do we do that? We look at an hourly time frame, or if you like something a little bit tighter, you look at a 30-minute time frame and you say, what's my trend? If the trend is up, it means every pullback into key areas of support are going to find buyers. So look for those key areas and wait. Be a hawk. Stare the line down, and when it comes, take the trade. All right? Stop overguessing, overthinking, and stop being distracted, right? A lot of us think we're great multitaskers, and very few of us are. It actually, I don't even think that people can actually multitask, but that's a whole other story. So that's what I want you to think about. If you're missing these trades, if they're falling behind, or if you're getting in and your risk is so wide that you simply can't stand it, what you're doing is you're not paying attention. You're not hawking the line that says this is where they're going to buy, and you're not following trend. Those are the only reasons. All right? So let's work on it together. Listen. Every day I get caught in this same cycle because I get distracted by something, I look at something. It happens. What we just have to do is quickly correct. All right? I hate these things that pop up all over my screens. All right. See you all tomorrow. Take care.